Assalamu alaikum student, how are you all? I hope you are all doing fine. This is the next video regarding the past tenses. I first gave you the video in which I discussed the past indefinite and past continuous. Now today we are going to do the past perfect and the past perfect continuous tenses. So the first one is the past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? उर्दू फिकरात के आखिर में चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, लिया था, दिया था, किया था, ली थी, दी थी वगैरह आता है. इसके साथ के बाकी रूल्स क्या हैं? अदर रूल्स: यूज ऑफ थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, यूज ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब had. Remember it in your mind that with has, have, had, will have, shall have, we always use the third form of verb. So going to the next slide. Examples of the positive sentences. जब मैं स्टेडियम पहुंचा तो मैच खत्म हो चुका था. When I reached the stadium, the match had ended. सूरज निकलने से पहले शिकारी जाल बिछा चुका था. The hunter had set the net before the sun rose. Seeing the next slide. Examples of the negative sentences जिसमें इनकार होता है, ना होता है, नहीं होता है, not आता है. मैंने ऐसी दिलचस्प कहानी पहले नहीं सुनी थी. I had not heard such an interesting story before. You can see we are using the helping verb had with the third form of verb. वो इससे पहले गाड़ी में सवार नहीं हुआ था. He had never boarded the train before. Examples of interrogative sentences. Interrogative are called the questions जिसमें सवाल किया जाता है. मेरी तकरीर से पहले किसने तकरीर की थी? किसने? Who had delivered the speech before my speech. क्या रीछ के पहुंचने से पहले वो दरख्त पे चढ़ चुका था? Had he climbed up the tree before the bear came. So now regarding to this tense, the past perfect tense, we are going to have a quiz over here and you will hear to it very carefully because it is your homework. The past perfect tense. क्या गाड़ी 6 बजे से पहले रवाना हो चुकी थी? Had the train started before 6 o'clock? Had the train started before 6 o'clock? क्या तुमने मेरे आने से पहले नॉवेल खत्म कर लिया था? Had you finished the novel? Novel, novel. Had you finished the novel before I came? इंस्पेक्टर के आने से पहले कोई बाहर नहीं गया था. No one went out before the inspector had come. जब मैं घर से निकला तो सूरज गुरूब हो चुका था. When I left the home, the sun had set. मेहमान वहां शाम से पहले नहीं पहुंचे थे. The guests had not reached there before the evening. Guests, Guests, guests. So the next one is the past perfect continuous tense. उर्दू के फिकरात के आखिर में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आता है. लेकिन हम इसको डिफरेंट कैसे समझते हैं कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस से? इसमें टाइम आता है. सो यूज ऑफ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ing, यूज ऑफ द हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड बीन, एंड यूज ऑफ सिंस एंड फॉर द टाइम. सिंस एंड फॉर कॉन्सेप्ट आई हैव गिवन यू मेनी टाइम्स अगेन एंड अगेन. So moving to the next slide. Examples of the positive sentences. वो 1 घंटे से खत लिख रहा था. You see, अगर सिर्फ लिखा होता कि वो खत लिख रहा था तो वो क्या होता? Past continuous. 1 घंटे से टाइम यहाँ पर आ गया तो it has become the past perfect continuous tense. वो 1 घंटे से खत लिख रहा था. He had been. We have used this helping verb had been. He had been writing, the first form ing, writing a letter for 1 hour. तुम 3 दिन से मजमून लिख रहे थे. You had been writing an essay for 3 days. Moving to the next slides of the examples of the negative sentences. Negative यानी इनकार वाले. तालिब इल्म कई दिनों से स्कूल में हाजिर नहीं हो रहा था. The student had not been attending the school for many days. Use of for is here. Use of first form and ing is here. Use of had not been is here. किसान कल से खेतों में काम नहीं कर रहा था. The farmer had not been working in the fields since yesterday. Seeing the next slides, examples of the interrogative sentences. Interrogatives are the questions, सवालिया जुमले. क्या चांद शाम से चमक रहा था? Had the moon been shining since evening? जो क्वेश्चन होता है उसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में चला जाता है. इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस Had the moon been shining, the first form and ing, since evening? क्या वो 9 बजे से सड़क के किनारे खड़ा रहा था? Had he been standing by the side of the road since 9 o'clock? So, regarding this past perfect continuous tense, we are going to solve a quiz and you have to listen to it very carefully as it will help you in doing your homework. Past perfect continuous tense. क्या तुम्हारा भाई 2 हफ्ते से तुम्हें नसीहतें करता रहा होगा? Had your brother been advising you? ADVISING. Had your brother been advising you for 2 weeks? क्या उसका भाई 5 माह से इस दफ्तर में मुलाजमत कर रहा था? Had his brother been working in this office for 5 months? सहरा में 2 साल से बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. It had not been raining in the desert, 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 for 2 years. बच्चा 7 बजे से दूध नहीं पी रहा था. The child had not been drinking milk since 7 o'clock. The child, CHILD, child had not been drinking milk since 7 o'clock. मोची मंगल से जूता तैयार कर रहा था. मोची cobbler, COBBLER. The cobbler had been mending shoe since Tuesday. Mending, MENDING. The cobbler had been mending the shoe since Tuesday. So I hope you understand it very well.